Hi everyone, how are you today? Well, I love this summer weather. And one of the really fun things to do in the summer is eat watermelon. Do you like watermelon? It's so sweet and juicy and tastes wonderful on a hot day. How about a poem? Watermelon shining down, sitting on the ground. What a lovely face you have, green and big and round. And we could even sing that one. Watermelon, watermelon, sitting on the ground. What a lovely face you have, green and big and round. So today we're going to make a quick watermelon. We're going to start with the green part, which is the rind. And let's add the juicy sweet part of the watermelon. Now, sometimes watermelons have seeds and sometimes they don't. But we're going to put some seeds on ours just to make it look more like a watermelon. And I'm just cutting some seeds out of black paper. And they're just little. So just glue them onto our watermelon. And you could plant those seeds and grow your own watermelon. That would be fun to do. And you might even end up with a nice watermelon plant. So we put these in here. Nope, not sticking too good. Or you can spit the seeds out. That's sort of fun too. And there we have a very quick watermelon. Now I'm going to make my watermelon look like I took a bite out of it. Oh, a nice big juicy bite out of my watermelon. And then there is my watermelon with a bite taken out of it. Picking up melons, put them in the basket. Picking up melons, put them in the basket. Picking up melons, put them in the basket. Way down yonder in the watermelon patch. And so if you would like to pick up some materials to make a watermelon, we have them at the library, or you can just find something at home to use. Green paper, red paper, or you could paint a paper plate with some green and red. You might even want to glue on some real watermelon seeds. So have fun making a watermelon, and most especially, have fun eating watermelon. See you soon.